Okay.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right, you got it. All right, I'm going to say this. I love Dave no matter what he says. But when he says, fuck you, you know what? You've done something.
I feel like I have.
You've done something. No, not you.
Oh.
Them.
Yeah, right.
They've done something.
Right. We showed you Ron's house.
We really did, and we're going to show you some more things tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're going to show you, I don't know what we're going to show you.
My 3-year-old is now running around yelling, fuck you. Thanks, guys.
You're
welcome. We're parents.
Right.
We're parents.
That's one of the things we have to give right there.
Yeah.
Is
parenting advice.
Parenting advice.
So call in with your parenting.
Yeah, if you have any, that would be a great thing for our show to be about.
Yeah.
Is if you have any questions.
Yeah. Because I have 2, you have 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're like barely fucked up.
Barely.
And I can see clearly some things that I can tell you to avoid in the raising of your children.
Yeah. Duct tape and crack.
I love them both.
Okay. Oh, that wasn't a choice.
Crack is not good.
Homos drink wine. No, they don't. But most of them do. But I'm not a homo. I like the pussy.
He enjoys the pussy, although he never has sex with women. How many years?
Not this decade.
You don't want to say.
I just
you
said
don't
it.
Want to talk about it. He hasn't had sex in 10 years. Would somebody please come have sex with him? He's a nice looking guy. He's in
pretty
really good shape.
Really good shape.
And he's a great golfer.
Pussy is nice.
I'm telling you, they would fuck you till you couldn't make a fist.
Hold on.
You would be just going, hey.
Oh, come on. Hold on. Dave_Little at SBC Global.
Are we losing characters again? All right. Okay.
I love everybody. No, that's mine.
All right. What happened to my fucking bottle of tequila?
It's right here.
We're always drinking Blanco.